3, 2, 1.
Star Wars.
Stanley Kubrick's 2001: A Space Odyssey.
Probably Life is Beautiful or Amelie.
Master and Commander.
Ooh, depends on the era of my life. I'd probably say Dune, though, overall.
Daniel Burstyn's The Discoverers.
The Perfume.
The Rick Atkinson Army at Dawn series.
Just relaxing.
Playing with my kids.
Backpacking.
Backpacking.
That would be probably peanut butter.
Pizza.
That's a hard one. I like almost all food.
Fall.
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 French horn.
Acoustic guitar. That was easy.
Guitar, but I have lack of talent. Practice a lot, but failed.
Pesto.
I think on choice, I like pizza Napoli.
Tomato and pepperoni.
I like a spicy Italian sausage.
Swimming. Water polo. Anything in the water.
I'm bad at many of them. Probably kickball with my kids.
Well, it's football, European football, cycling, swimming,
Track.
coffee.
Tea.
Definitely coffee.
Both.
Dancing.
Singing.
I think I'm really bad in dancing.
Ooh, I have two answers for this. Probably learning Russian, challenging for me, and definitely spacewalk training.
NBL or spacewalk training.
Speaking Russian while in a spacesuit underwater.
Oh, waiting for the mission.
Oh, definitely look at rocks with Jessica Watkins.
I'd go on a buggy ride.
I would be skipping and running and climbing any crater I could find.
Well, first I would like to jump as high as I can to prove that I can jump 6 times as high as on the Earth. And the second thing I would do is I would try to explore a moon cave
It would be flying.
to pacify the world.
To time travel.
Frappuccinos.
Eating ice cream, way too many.
Cookie cake.
I would say never close a door on yourself. Like, don't self-select out of opportunities. Like, you have to put yourself out there if you want to pursue your dreams.
Keep at it. Stay persistent. Don't worry about it. It's going to be okay.
Just relax and enjoy the moment a bit.
I'd like to do another spacewalk.
I'd love to do a spacewalk.
Doing a spacewalk.
Well, flying to space is the first, doing an EVA is the second, and hopefully walking on the moon is the third.
I won't go into specifics, but it all has to do with using the bathroom.